Sri Jishnadev Verma Garu, Governor of Telangana, Honorable Special Guest, Honorable Sri Justice Aparesh Kumar Singh Garu, Chief Justice of High Court for the State of Telangana, respected dignitaries, distinguished guests, members of the bar and dear colleagues. On behalf of the esteemed Telangana High Court Advocates Association, it is my privilege and honor to propose the vote of thanks on this momentous occasion of 76th Constitutional Day. At the outset, we express our deep sense of gratitude to His Excellency Sri Jishnadev Verma Garu for gracing this celebration with his august presence. Your Excellency, your valuable words today have truly inspired us and reminded us for the spirit of the Constitution and the responsibilities entrusted to the legal fraternity. We are immensely grateful for your constant encouragement and support. His Excellency, we are truly honored by your presence. We are equally honored and thankful to Honorable the Chief Justice Sri Aparesh Kumar Singh Garu for sparing his valuable time to be with us today. Your Lordship, your guidance, your vision for strong and vibrant justice delivery system and your unwavering commitment to constitutional values continue to motivate every member of this association. We remain indebted for your constant support to the legal fraternity. I convey our sincere thanks to Honorable Judges of the High Court for the Telangana, your Lordship's participation and for encouraging the association in all endeavors. Our heartfelt thanks to Sri Ananta Narasimha Reddy Garu, Chairman, Bar Council of Telangana, for his presence and encouragement. Sri Adamala Sudarshan Reddy Garu, Learned Advocate General for the State of Telangana, for always supporting the initiatives of the association. Sri B. Narasimha Sharma Garu, Additional Solicitor General of India, for joining us and adding value to this celebration. Sri Palle Nageshwar Rao Garu, Public Prosecutor, Telangana State, for accepting our invitation and gracing his presence. I also extend sincere thanks to Additional Advocate General Sri Rajnikant Reddy Garu and Muhammad Imran Khan Garu. I thank Deputy Solicitor General of India Sri N. Bhujanga Rao Garu. I thank Vice Chairman Bar Council of Telangana Sri K. Sunil Gaud Garu. I thank Member Bar Council of India Sri P. Vishnuvardhan Reddy Garu. I thank learned senior designated advocates, members of Bar Association. I especially thank the registrars of High Court, judicial officers, staff of the High Court and Association for conducting the program successfully. I also thank the print and electronic media and special invitees for making today's program meaningful and memorable. A special word of appreciation to our beloved President Anamala Jagan Garu for his leadership and continuous support, and also to the Executive Committee members of Telangana High Court Advocates Association for their dedication in planning and organizing this Constitution Day celebration with such perfection. Finally, my thanks to every member present here today. Your participation reflects our collective commitment to uphold the ideals of the Constitution and to strengthen our judicial institutions. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind. I request His Excellency Governor, State of Telangana and Chief Justice Aparesh Kumar Singh Garu and companion judges and senior designated advocates and ex-presidents and Bar Council members, please join dinner in the Advocates Association Hall, and all the members are requested to join along with the Executive Committee in the lounge for dinner. Please, I request once again, come and join for dinner, please.
The dignitaries and as well as the members to stand for the national anthem. Right.